Mayonnaise recipe. 1 cup vegetable oil, 1 large egg yolk at room temperature, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, salt to taste. Optional, a pinch of sugar for sweetness. 1. In a bowl, whisk together the egg yolk and Dijon mustard until well combined. 2. Gradually add the vegetable oil in a slow, steady stream. Whisking continuously to create an emulsion, ensure the mixture thickens before adding more oil. Means to pour the vegetable oil into the mixture slowly and continuously while whisking, instead of adding the oil all at once. You pour it slowly in a steady flow. This gradual process helps in emulsifying the oil with the other ingredients. Creating a smooth and creamy texture for the mayonnaise, it's important not to rush this step to achieve the desired consistency. 3. Once the mixture has thickened, add vinegar and continue whisking until smooth. 4. Season the mayonnaise with salt to taste and, if desired, a pinch of sugar for sweetness. 5. Transfer the homemade mayonnaise to a jar or airtight container and refrigerate. It will continue to thicken as it chills. Enjoy your homemade mayonnaise on your fries or anything else you like. I hope you like this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe. And on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comment section.